3rd.
2nd.
Yeah.
Oh,
2nd. December 2nd.
Kiss the mic.
You don't need a stick. Woo! That was fun. Is that fun?
Fun.
Yeah.
Fun. Oh. Oh.
Can you do it by yourself?
Toys.
Huh?
Yes.
I love how she's walking.
I know.
I think it's because of the setting that it's on.
Keep your feet still.
I can do it, Dad. She's gonna bust it.
What are you doing? No, don't go down there. You can't go down there in those. Yeah, I know. There's a bunch of sticks and stuff.
Daredevil.
You're okay.
Brush it off.
It's okay.
Brush it off.
It's alright, okay?
Brush it off.
You're alright.
That's why we have pads on.
Boo-boo. Yeah.
Do you want me to kiss it? Alright, Dad. Here, you take the video. I kiss
Why
it.
don't you just turn that off? That's probably good enough.
Aww.
Are you crying?
Traumatic experience. Alright, say bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye.